The dual Rotax boat's going to have a 12-inch Garmin. It's going to have everything there. So there's going to be no switching here except for horn button. Mine is the single engine Rotax, so it has digital switching and then a 9-inch touchscreen Garmin. What's cool about that is it has all NEMA connectivity. So all your engine information is going to come through here. One thing that's been really helpful for me, because you can't see the motor, is having this screen here. So you can see the position of the rudder. So which way you're turned. And then you have a wireless charging pad here, Fusion stereo. Mine does not have the upgraded subwoofer, but it has 2 speakers up there, 2 speakers in the back, and 1 speaker down here.